Ready to transform your website from drab to fab with the magic of color coding in Adobe Dreamweaver. First, let's open Dreamweaver and either create a new HTML document or open an existing one you want to jazz up. We're going to be working with CSS, so get ready to open the CSS panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and select CSS Designer to open the panel. In the CSS Designer, you'll see a Sources section. Click the plus sign here. This is where you'll create either an external style sheet or add a style to the HTML document. After clicking the plus sign, the CSS file will be linked to your HTML, which will allow you to start adding styles. Now, notice the selectors. We need to tell Dreamweaver where to apply our color. Select the section or body do you want to style. Click the plus sign within this selector section and start by selecting your tags like body. Then click plus, add this to the new selector being added. Now, let's add our first color. Look at the properties section here. You'll find your color options. For example, you can target the background color. Click on background. Then select the button that looks like a swatch of color to display the color selector. You'll now see a color picker. This is where the fun begins. Dreamweaver supports all sorts of color codes, hex codes, like hashtag FFFFFF for white, RGB, which uses values for red, green, and blue to create a color, and HSL, which describes colors by hue, saturation, and lightness. Select your color using the selector, or simply type in the relevant hex code, RGB or HSL values. Once you're happy, click and poof, your background color is now applied. To take it further, let's change the color of your text. Under the text section, target the color property following the same process you implemented for the background. Select your desired text color. Experiment with different CSS properties, like font family and font size to add the right style. Remember to save your work and enjoy your beautifully colored website.